Hello friends, this is Bora here and welcome to Plant Sense. Today I am going to share some tips on how you can make a very beautiful fairy garden or miniature garden through succulent and cactus. Miniature garden can be a very good or smart ideas for those who are very obsessed with succulent but not have enough space, especially in urban areas. So by this clubbing method or technique, you can keep various species of succulent and cactus in a very single planter. Apart from clubbing, you can add your creativity, stories through miniature tools for its elegant and fairy looks. So friends, let's begin. Firstly, I take a large ceramic vessel type planter with slightly antique looks, or you can say a matte finish dull look planter. I am talking about its color because this type of planter goes well with this concept. And I am going to make a two-tier fairy garden with the help of a small and old terracotta planter. If I say something about the growing media, it is simple. A succulent mix growing media in where 50 to 60% of leaf mold. Leaf mold basically a leaf compost made of well rotted dry leaves. Secondly, I added sandy soil for the better drainage system, and 20 to 25% of coco peat and perlite. And at the end, 1 tablespoon of fungicide powder as a antifungal agent. So friends, ultimately this is your fairy garden. You can add natural stone instead of this color stones. In this fairy garden I added only 3 to 4 miniature toys and given more focus on the layout of plants. I hope you like the video, so kindly subscribe, like and click the bell notification button for much more amazing ideas and tips on gardening. Thank you.